I'm recording. I'm going to put a limit in up here. So I can catch a few $100 on the upside if it hits these highs again today. What a day. What a day yesterday. I exited the Nikkei a while ago. Basically break even 1750. I saw that coming back down. I thought I'm not gonna take another hit. The NAT, look at all of them dropped this morning. I left this morning about 7 o'clock and saw everything popping back up, and I'm saying at least the market turned back around. Look at the Dow. Man, did I take a whack yesterday. Took about a $2,500 whack. Now it's $2,700. At least I'm out of the Dow. Oh, come on, don't do this. All right, go back up. Got a new hour, go back up, come on. Get all the bears out of here. Man. Come on out, get out. Come on, bull, step in. There's enough selling going on, get some buyers in there. Bond. Bond's backing off, was up, backing off because market's popping back up. I think I'm going to take 375 profits on the bond. All right, I took 375 in profits on the bond. Or 330, up 350 on closed. Come on, S&P, turn back around.
It S&P is sitting right at the 50 on the 60-minute chart, so it looks like it may.
Well, let's. Made a 62, depending on how you look at it. Made a 62 and it came right back down again. Jeez. It's at the 50 bounce, man. Come on. For a little nothing, I'd buy it again.
That would be little or nothing.
Yeah, I think I am. I'm going to buy the market. I'll change this to 2. I'm going to put another limit, see if I can catch it on the upside here. Not going to pick up much on that. Let's see what I can do here. Well, I'm not far away from break even on it now with 3, but I don't get stopped out. All we need is about a $350 move on the upside. I'm a break even now. Wow, what a ride this morning. All right, let's Nikkei is. Now watch the Nikkei turn around. I have a $225 risk if I buy it. $600 down to blue light. I'm thinking the bears came in this morning and sold it, and now I'm going to step back in. I'm going to buy this. Now, why'd you do that for? Give me a wrong fill. If it takes out today, I want out. I'll take a $150 risk on that. Put this in Telegram. All right, come on up. All right. Sometimes these bad fills work against you, and sometimes they work for you in the demo account. Right now, that worked for me by about $60 or something. But I'll take it. Doggone it. What a day. What a day. Do I want to do that? Hey, Raman, good morning.
Good morning, David.
What kind of pullback did we have here? Man, I'm getting black today. That's awfully close to a 50. If I buy that, put a stop down here, I'm risking another 450. News.
The S&P's pulling back. You might get a better price on the Dow.
Yeah. On the Dow, you're saying? Well, I think I'm going to go for it. For the month, I had a $5,000 cushion. And just got whacked on half that yesterday. I'm going to put a buy in here. And I'm going to risk $300 on it. Come on, pull back. Come on. Give me my money back. I'm going to put this in Telegram. Well, something worked. I'm down 450. 450 closed, about break even. 350 on the closed positions. Come on, work, come on. I need coffee. That's what I need. Hectic morning. All right. See what happens here. We'll break even on the day and down 1,700 yesterday. Something like that. Come on, get me back up there. Pull a hat trick here, maybe. Let me open up another set of charts. What are the markets you guys want to look at? Hey, down under. How are you, Michelle? David?
Good, thanks, Dave. How are you?
I'm getting beat up. I beat
I
up.
can see that.
Well, I got beat up yesterday. Today I'm 350 on closed and down 400. I'm down $100. So I'm down about $100 on opens and closed right now. But yesterday whacked me. Let me minimize this one.
Dave, I'm just having a look at the British pound. I'm looking to go long in the British pound. It looks like it's making a continuation pattern. So I don't know what your thoughts are on that.
Well, let's take a look.
I saw that as well, Michelle. I was just looking at that.
Well, it broke these highs in here. Daily is strong bullish, really strong bullish. That's last Friday. What kind of risk would we have on this down to the support down in here? 600, 650. Um, how much away am I? About $150, $75 or something from the high. So if I toss that in both ways, I'm looking at $400 if I wait. I'm going to buy on a stop. All right, don't give me the beep. Come on. Hadn't had the beep in days. Don't give me the beep. Michelle, what were you looking at through here? And Raman, you were looking at like this range in here?
Yeah, I was also looking, Dave, at the weekly. It's just broken a weekly high as well. So um, from there to the next high is quite a bit of money.
Okay. Come on. Fill, order fill. Come on. I got my buddy coming in from California. I'm picking him up at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock or something. So he's going to be with us for a couple of months.
Is he a trader, Dave?
No, doesn't know anything. He retired from a cushy government job, as he calls it. Come on. Don't do this. Come on. He lived up in the Bay Area, was in worked for the BLM or something as a realtor handling properties for the Bureau of Land Management. Come on, back up. 300 in the hole. Come on.
So you and him are going to just hang out and drink Panama's answer to Forex, is that it?
I'm sorry, Michelle. What did you say?
I said, so you two are just going to hang out and drink Panama's answer to Forex.
When you said Forex, I thought you were talking about the Forex market for a minute. I go, wait. Well, I don't know if I'll drink Panama beer. I hate Panama brand beer. I have a beer called Panama beer, and I hate it. Come on. Am I going to have to exit all this? Don't tell me I've got to exit. This stinks. There we go. I almost hit the exit. All right, here we go. We're off to the races. Let me see where I want limits here. Where's a good limit? We're on one of these mixed seasonals. Bearish through here and starts over here being bullish. Well, come on, let's start being bullish. I don't want monthly, I wanted weekly. It does have a long way to go, though. Well, $36.50. $36.50. Wow. Can't do that. It's already there. Next one. If it comes back up there, that's a long, long way. Let's see what we're looking at here. Oh, no. It's right at the 50. 30. 39.68, but that's not the front month. We'll look real quick here on front month. No, it is the front month. Well, if I take it up to 49, well, where do I want to limit here? Well, if it breaks, it could really run. How far are we away here? Oh, geez. $7,000 away, so I got a $2,000 limit. That's respectable. Come on, Dow. Turn around. Boy, the chart looks busy, doesn't it? Let me pull this down here, get a better picture. Could actually keep a lot tighter stop than that on it. Or a 6 1/4. I'll do that. Or a 6.25. All right. Stop. Done. Okay. All right, Marcus, turn back around, financials. All right, that's done. Michelle, what's your money going to do here? Well, that's iffy looking, isn't it? All right, Roman, what's your money? Wow, wow, look at the Canadian. Whoa. Crude is only supposed to be down 10 cents this morning. Roman, what's your input on the Canadian? What's going on?
Just Bank of Canada just raised interest rates by 25 basis points 20 minutes ago. So it caused a lot of volatility.
Wow. Well, that's one to stay away from for right now. How about the euro? Is that going to run too? No, it's not. It's not running. It was back up for the last 3 or 4 hours. The yen. If the Nikkei runs, the yen should fall. Isn't that right, Ron? Usually.
Yeah, they're negatively correlated.
Yeah, right. If the Nikkei runs, the yen should fall. What do we have here? We had a 50. Well, coming back down, where can you come to? Come back down $1,000. I'm not going to play both sides. That's where I got hurt yesterday. I got into all the financials. I was long all the financials, and they turned right back around. Come on. Now, oh, gee, going to do this. Down 700. What's turning around? Dow's turning around. S&P's turning around. I'm going to go south of the border here. I'm not going to touch that. It's right next to resistance. The Kiwi. Supposed to be coming into a bullish time. And it's been bullish. Look at this. Delete this, delete this. No, Swiss. All right, Swiss, you had a run. Came through here, broke resistance. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Supposed to be bullish in here. I can't take that. I can't take a $2,800 risk. Well, it'll be less than that on blue light, because the blue light will trail back up if I trail a stop. Tomorrow will be probably 2,500. So statistics, you're up. MACD, you're up. If we look at a 50 here, all right, this is interesting. A 50% pullback is going to be right at that resistance. What kind of risk do we have on that? About $1,000, 1,300. If that's a 62, I'm a buyer. 78. I'm a buyer. Just made this pull back. I'm gonna trail blue light. I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy it on a stop, just above that high. I'm gonna trail blue light. That'll pop back up here and give me about a $500 risk. Let me move this. I'll just move it to blue light. It's gonna. No, I don't want blue light. On second thought, I want a hard fixed stop. On a fixed stop on it. And where do I want my limit? Oh, jeez. Jeez. Well, there's plenty of room. That's plenty of room. Let me see if I can move it to 650. $650 is an even number. I've got it ticks. I don't want ticks. There. At 96. After we get into money on this, I'll trail blue light or something. I just don't want to do it right now. All right, that's done. I'm out of currencies. I can look at the opens here. Pull the paintings in. What we got here? All right, I'll move my stop up on the pound. Yeah, take out two. That's down a little. 37.52. 37.52. All right. Jeez, financials are turning. Just stinks. Come on. You almost got me to break even. Hitting resistance. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Well, if I get whacked today, it's not going to be as much of a whack as it was yesterday. Man, come on. 550 down on the opens, 350. So I'm down 200 on open, 200 for the day. Okay. All right, I'm out of currencies. Let's open up something else. Look at the metals. Man, that's strong. Jeez. And $900 on the upside. Bad risk reward. Silver. Silver, you're down. Look at the swing in silver yesterday. And the markets just went nuts yesterday. Look at this. I'm not going to do anything on silver. Platinum, let's look at palladium. Palladium's back up. Let's look at a 60 here. I'm going to do a copper. Or before you come down into here. See what happens there. Gold's going to probably look silver, like silver. No, it's not. Huge risk on this. $3,000 risk on the day. I can't do that. No, not going to do it. We'll pass. I haven't been filled on anything else. I've got a farmer in Iowa that's coming into the room this week. He's a cattle farmer, and all he does is trades cattle, basically, which will be a valuable addition to the room here. I was talking to him Monday or Saturday, I guess it was, and I said, "How many cattle do you have? How many heads of cattle?" That's right. How many heads of cattle do you have? He said, I'm a smaller guy. I got about 800 head." To me, that doesn't seem like a smaller feeders. Seasonally, they're down. I wonder how all these in the greens for. Hang on a second, I gotta tell my daughter something. Hold on.
Hey, David.
I'll be in the room just 1 second. Hold on. Okay. I'm throwing my friend in the maid's room, and we're trying to get it straightened out. Yeah, Randy, what were you saying?
Well, I didn't want to rub salt in the wound, but the bond just broke through the 50% on the daily. Yeah, T-bonds.
Oh, I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong one here. Ah, geez, don't you know I got out? Just dandy. Look at this.
It got too far too fast on me. I was thinking about re-entering when it broke resistance, but I didn't catch it in time.
Yeah, well, obviously I didn't either. Look at this. $750 risk on that. More like a $900 risk. So I don't want to do that. My guy, Randy.
About that, I wasn't watching that closely enough.
Well, the market's been up, flat, up, and up. And here was the doji. There was the turning point right there on that doji. I'll just be doggone, that was like last Wednesday or something. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, yeah, last Wednesday. A doji on the bonds, and then it turns. All right, S&P turned back around. Doggone it.
We are filled on the Swiss, at least.
Well, yeah, we are. Down $50, $60. Just poked its nose above it. All right, run. Come on, run. Give me a break here. 52.5 down. $2,400 for the week. It's up 5,000 last week. I'm still up for the month. I'm still up 2,600. I just hate giving back money. Not filled on the pound. That's in the grains. I don't want that in the grains. Oh man, what was that sitting at support down in here? What was that? Bean oil you just broke. Major support.
I actually just shorted that, Dave.
You shorted the bean oil?
Yeah.
Good for you.
I actually thought about selling or buying a put, I should say.
Yeah, we could do basically a futures buy a put, sell a call. There's very little risk on that. See what options are doing. I'd rather sell a call. There's no money in it. 37 days left. Time decay is going to kick in here soon. Even if if I shorted it and brought this back up to a 50 or 62, or even back up into here, got about a $500 risk. All right, you look out that support. You haven't closed below it yet, though. But everything is bearish. Seasonally, it turned bearish right on time over here. Messing around with the financials and didn't look at the grains. I would have shorted that probably up in here last week. If you want to short that, take a real tight stop on it. Where are you short from, Michelle?
Dave, I'm trailing a stop on a blue light 60.
Yeah, where'd you get short from? Where are you short from, though? 32.50 or something?
$32.49.
That was close, huh? I'll sell the market. Come on, Phil, me, don't beat me. Bad, Phil. That's all right. I'll keep that stop there for you. Short market being a while. I'll move my limit down here, but I'll just leave it for now. Okay, pick up $300 on bean oil. Right now I need $300. Down 6 on opens, up 350. So I'm down 250, 200. S&P, you're going to turn around. I know you are. Kansas City wheat, what are you doing? Big drops. There's the 50. Right, rats. Missed it. Missed it. Look at all this resistance it hit. It came right back down. But that went so far, or so fast. Look at this, $700. Free money.
Crop report.
Yeah, yeah. Crop report on Monday. I think it was the Washington one. Washington crop report. What's this hit of 50? What's this hit here? 62. I'm not going to touch it. Minneapolis wheat.
Hey, David.
Yes.
I'm looking at the May contract on Minneapolis wheat. We have a bottom blip forming today.
Oh. Yeah, we do. Yes, we do. And that market had headed back up before the crop report. We don't have much risk on that. If I took it all the way to the lows here, $600. 3 1/4 here. So statistics, you're down. MACD, you're red. Seasonal, you're supposed to be down. Is it going to rebound after the crop reports? Big question. Look at a 60. You're running. How much risk on this? 300? 3.25? I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer of that. I'm over trading. I want to buy the market. I'm going to put a $400 risk, less than that. I'm going to put a fixed 362 risk. Where's my limit? Come here, limit. Got lots of resistance up in here. It's about a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio. What if I brought it down to here? What are we looking at? 2-to-1. A little less than 2-to-1. I think I'm going to do that one. I think I'm already in it. Oh, come here, help. I didn't mean to hit you. But do I want to do that? Seasonals are down. Slow stochastics down. MACD is down. Small spinning top yesterday. I'll leave it.
It turned at resistance from a week ago, but that really doesn't mean anything.
No. Man, let me put it.
So that means it'll probably work.
That market. All right. Don't tell me this. Reconnecting demo. Don't tell me this. Come on. Don't tell me. Hold on.
Hey, David,
Yes.
on another note, Gecko told me that they're considering putting an autosave in so that when this thing crashes, it doesn't take all your work with it from the last time you opened the chart book.
Well, that's a good deal. All right, come on. Something will work here. I'm only down 3. I'm break even for the day. The only thing I got hurt on was yesterday. Oh my gosh, did I get hurt? Um,
Could we look at Maycorn, please? It's at a crossroads, and I'm just kind of curious your thoughts on Maycorn.
okay. Gary's going to get back in the room this week. Gary White, who's a farmer, he buys the grains and stuff too, but a lot of cattle. And his computer crashed on him. He's rebuilding everything. I know the feeling. When that happened to me a while back. But he just sent me an email yesterday. I'm going to try to get back in this week. Corn.
Corn on the May contract.
They're buying that.
And it looks like it's at a crossroads to me, so I'm not exactly sure what I think about that.
Yeah. It's
It's up, if I remember correctly.
in a range here. Seasonally, it's choppy. Just my 2 cents. You don't have much here. You got $100 on the upside and $300 worth of risk. I would hold on it. If it were me. Come on, being all done. Let's look at meal. Meal is up. Seasonals are up. Stochastics, you turned up. MACD, you're turning green. Okay, I put on like 5 trades or something today. Trying to make up for yesterday. Either I'm going to get a real spanking this week or I'm going to make some of that back. Beans. Well, a gap filled. Here's a gap. And a gap yesterday. A little bit, not a lot. A few ticks. High is 62.75 and the low here. No, it wasn't a gap. The difference between the high on this day and the low on this day was not a gap. Wheat. That's supposed to be bearish. I bet that's a 78 pullback here. A little better. I bet these are strike prices. I'll bet anything. All these turnarounds. There's a strike. It's at a strike price now. Well, I'm on three S&Ps. It's only down $600, 550, a couple $100 each, 4 points. I think I'm going to hold on that. Metals we looked at. I just about be a buyer of hogs. Weekly. Come here, weekly hogs. A lot of room on the weekly. Man, they're moving. I was only down 300 a while ago. Now I'm down 600. March feeders. Here's your 1, 2, 3. How much upside we got? 1900. No. Risk reward on its bad. Could have stopped in here. No, 2,300 to $200 gains. It's a negative risk reward. Well, there was the head and shoulders we missed. I missed. No, I'm not going to buy a 50. David, you looking at anything? Frank, you looking at anything? All right, only down $100. Come on. All right, S&P, turn around. Look at you. Come on, man. My opens here. All right, S&P, run, baby. All right. Come on. S&P, you're right at the money. Come on. I got 3 of you, baby. All right, I'm up 4 for the day. On opens, I'm up 350, 800 bucks. Come on. Pick it back up. Pick it back up. Almost at 54. I'm down 12. It's a lot better than being down 3,000 yesterday. Only down $1,000. I'll take that after yesterday. I'll live with that. All right, markets, give me some money. Anything else, guys? I mean, I've got a lot of trades on. Jeez. I'm in 6 markets. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm out of here. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care.